Hello wood mice and dormice, and welcome to our last math session of the week. We're going to start by playing a game of matching pairs. So behind here I've got some images of 8, 9 and 10. So when we find the matching pairs, they're not going to be the exact same image, but they are going to be showing the same number. So they'll either be showing 8, 9 or 10. I'm going to start by taking away this one here, and behind, straight away, I can see I've got a 5 one side of my domino and a 5 the other side of my domino. So 5 and 5, thinking about our learning this week and our tens frame, 5 and 5, I remember, is 10. So this card here is showing 10. Got to see if I can find another 10 now. I am going to try this one. Oh, I can see a 3, a 3 and a 3. Just going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that one's showing 9 and this one's showing 10. Let's try again. I'm going to take away this one. Oh, I can see I've got a 6 unicorn and a 3 unicorn straight away. So 6 and 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, so that card's showing 9, and I know I've just come across 9. I think it was this one here. Yes, my 9 cakes. So I have found my first matching pair. Let's see if I can find another one now. I'm going to take away this one here. What can we see? We've got a tens frame, and I can see a 5 and a 3. So 5 and 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm looking for another 8. Now I know this one was a 10. I'm going to try this one here. I can see an 8 unicorn piece and 2 more. 8 and 2 more. 8, 9, 10. So it's not that one. I'm going to colour them back over. But I do know that this is 10. And I have come across 10 earlier on with my dominoes. So I've got a 5 and a 5 showing 10 and an 8 and a 2 showing 10. So both of these images add up to 10. So I found my second pair. I've got 2 left, which must be showing me 8. 4 and a 4, my domino showing 8, and my tens frame with my 5 and my 3. So we have the game ready for you to print out, and you can cut out the cards so that you can play the same game. It's slightly different images, but you can play a pairs game with somebody at home. Once you've played the game, we would like you to then create your own matching pairs. Now, to help you to do this today, I have given you some templates of things that you might like to use. So you've got ladybirds, you've got dominoes, you've got tens frames, and this one you can use as Numicon. So if I was to create my own, we're going to be doing it the same for numbers 8, 9 and 10. I would start off with my 8. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 spots on one side of my ladybird. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 spots on my ladybird. Think about my domino. I'm going to put 1 this side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 1 on this side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 7 is 8. So I found my 2 pairs there that I'm going to use for 8. Now I've got my tens frame. I'm going to go for number 10. So I'm going to fill up all of my tens frame, as this one's going to be showing 10. So I've got my 5, and I'm going to do 5 more. So I've got 10, my tens frame. This one here I'm going to use as a Nuicon piece. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5 is 10, and I've got 10 on my tens frame. My last one, I've done my pairs of 8, my pairs of 10, and I've got my pairs of 9. So I'm going to start with my tens frame. Remember, we always fill up the first 5. So I'm going to do my 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 and 4 more is 9. Then I'm going to think about how I could show 9 on my domino. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 this side, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got a 3 this side and 6 this side. So I have had a go there at making up my own pairs game. You can decide to either use the Ladybird templates that we've given you, or if you like to, you can have a go at using the blank squares to create your own for your matching pairs. So remember, it's pairs of 8, 9 and 10. Once you've done it, you can cut them out and you can play that game with somebody in your household, and then we would like to hear about how you got on and send us a picture of your pairs game.